Welcome to the GotTrouble.org employment section. GotTrouble is a fully integrated resource aimed at helping people through the pain and complexity of life-changing legal and financial trouble, including the emotional impact that usually follows. This video offers you a short summary of our employment law section and valuable information on such matters such as the initial interview and hiring stages, employee privacy, potential discrimination issues, and workplace safety. You will also find valuable advice on how to retain an experienced employment attorney. But first, a short word about the importance of maintaining an emergency savings should you suddenly find yourself unemployed. When it comes to long-term job security, the advent of artificial intelligence has left many workers feeling vulnerable. Add to these worries that most Americans lack adequate savings to carry them through the time it takes to find a new job. According to Bankrate's Emergency Savings Survey, more than half of Americans have less than 3 months in emergency savings, and 25% of Americans have no emergency savings at all. For those who lose their job, there are serious financial and legal issues that must be considered. Say nothing of the emotional consequences. In our employment law section, we focus on the legal issues that can arise leading up to and including job loss, including what if you had been wrongfully terminated due to unlawful discrimination, or you were forced to quit your job due to sexual harassment by your employer, or you discover that your employer has violated state wage and hour laws. GotTrouble also provides helpful articles on the legal rights of employee whistleblowers, as well as the legal and qualifying requirements related to receiving unemployment benefits. Our employment legal blogs are divided into 5 sections. Our first section is about searching for job interviews and job offers. Here you will learn that employers are legally prohibited from asking certain types of questions in job interviews, including questions that intrude upon an applicant's privacy rights. You will also want to make sure you are clear on your legal job status before accepting the job. You will want to know whether the company considers you a full-time or part-time employee or an independent contractor. You will need to know your employment status, since there are important legal differences between the legal rights of independent contractors and employees. You will also learn that independent contractors are not legally entitled to receive employment benefits such as medical insurance, overtime pay, sick time, and family leave. Most importantly, independent contractors are legally responsible for withholding and paying their own taxes and are not eligible for company unemployment benefits. Our second section is about job compensation, unsafe work conditions, and labor violations. This employment law advice section covers how, when, and how much an employee will be paid in exchange for their labor. Most states, as well as the federal jobs, have a minimum wage that cannot be violated. Also included in this employee rights section, you will find helpful articles covering overtime pay, family and medical leave, and the right to safe working conditions. Our third section is about sexual harassment, hostile work environments, and EEOC claims. Sexual harassment is a form of discrimination, specifically a violation of Title VII of the Federal Civil Rights Act. This section explores the legal implications of on-the-job sexual harassment, which is defined as any unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or any communication of a sexual nature. Finally, learn why it's legally required to make an EEOC claim and why you need a right to sue letter from the EEOC before filing a civil claim. Our fourth section is about ending the job, discrimination claims, and the law of wrongful termination. If you believe you were wrongfully terminated, learn what you can do and what you may be entitled to in monetary damages from the company. Learn what happens when job termination is based on gender, age, disability, pregnancy, and race discrimination. An experienced wrongful termination lawyer can advise you of your legal rights and guide you through the administrative and legal process. This fifth and final section is about the helpful services and resources available if you have lost your job. Moving through life's legal troubles is hard work, but it can bring important new insights and new opportunities. Consider starting a new career and learn about online vocational training and online education and degree programs. Our Job Loss Helpful Services section also offers free employment advice and links to professional resume services. Learn how to start your own online business. If you have immediate financial needs, consider reaching out to an online lender, as well as helpful public services. For more information on employment law and to learn about our related services and resources, please visit gottrouble.org. For more insights and guidance, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.